Looking for a compact Japanese car for sale in Pakistan that is fuel-efficient, feature-loaded, and perfect for city driving? This Suzuki Hustler 2015 push-start might be the best mini SUV option for daily use. Stay till the end to hear the final price and full condition details. Welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for used cars in Pakistan, Japanese imported cars for sale, or a small car with big features, this video is for you. Today we are reviewing a Suzuki Hustler 2015, registered 2018, in black with white roof, a very popular two-tone color combination. This car is perfect for people who want a stylish K car, easy to drive in traffic, and low-maintenance daily driver. Let's talk about the exterior condition. The car has an outer shower, while the interior is original and well-kept. The LED headlights with projection lamps and fog lights give great visibility at night and add a premium look. The car is fitted with rims and good condition tires, giving it a sporty stance on the road. Overall, the car looks neat and presentable for anyone looking for a clean Japanese import in Pakistan. Inside, you get a comfortable sofa-style seat setup with heated seats, which is a rare and premium feature in this category. The Android TV panel is installed for navigation, music, and videos. The multifunction steering wheel, power windows, power steering, and retractable side mirrors add daily convenience. The climate control AC cools the cabin quickly, making this car ideal for hot weather driving. If you're searching for a feature-loaded small car, this one checks many boxes. Now the most important part, engine and drive. This car has an engine change, and the current engine is perfect, smooth, and responsive. The gear shifting is smooth, the suspension is solid, and the car offers a comfortable ride on city roads and uneven streets. The push-start system works perfectly, and overall the car is truly buy and drive with no work required. If you're looking for a reliable used Japanese car, this Hustler is a strong option. This Suzuki Hustler is ideal for daily commuting, city driving, family use for small families, and even for students or office users who want a fuel-efficient, easy-to-park car. People searching for best small cars in Pakistan, Japanese K cars, or budget mini SUV will love this option. The final price is 2,075,000 PKR. Considering the condition, features, and smooth drive, this is a great deal in today's used car market. If you're interested, contact Inbox for details. For more used car reviews in Pakistan, latest car prices, and best car deals, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.